everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan and I'm joined by our brand manager from Simpson, Damien Irwin. Damien, Simpson is brand new to AMX. Tell me a little bit about the brand.
Well, Simpson's been around for decades now. So Simpson was started in 1959 by a guy named Bill Simpson. It's an American brand. He was really passionate about safety. In 2016, Simpson went into motorcycle helmets after being in car helmets for decades, and this is the result.
So talk me through the speed that we've got today.
So this one is the Speed helmet. This is the entry level in the Simpson range. In America, it's known as the Speed Bandit. Because we're bringing in ECE helmets, this is named the Speed because in Europe they can't use the Bandit name.
Okay, so talk me through the details for this one.
Well, this one is at the entry level. It's an injection molded polycarbonate shell. It's got the speed brow through the top, which is classic Simpson styling, but there's also Venturi effect ventilation through the top here and some venting at the back.
Let's flip it over. What's on the inside?
So inside, right the way through the top, there's actual channels through the EPS, so it draws hot air out of there. There's a fully removable and washable quilted liner, so nice quality, and the D-ring retention system for the chin strap.
And does this have the ability to put a communication system in as well?
Yes, inside you've got some open ear sections there, so you can put any type of communication system inside.
So let's talk about the visor, because the Simpson helmets have a very unique look.
They really do. And look, all helmets that come with a clear visor fitted, this has got the tint on here. All of the visors are Pinlock prepared. We've got a podless base plate, so it's a modern helmet, but with that really distinct Simpson look.
And the ability to customise the visor as well?
Yeah, so we've got a range of colours available. Obviously this one's tint, we've got iridium, we've got chrome, we've got gold, we've got a whole range to customise.
And what about sizes for this helmet?
So this one comes in 3 shell sizes across extra small through to double extra large, and we've got it in 2 solid colours, the matte black and an armour colour as well.
Perfect, thank you so much, Damien. If you'd like any more information on the Simpson Speed helmet, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course the information is there for you on the website.
What did I call it? Monobrow?
No, I think you just brushed past.
Okay, speed brow. Okay.